Assalamu alaikum. This is Hamna Khalid from the Ocean of Knowledge. Today I will tell you about future indefinite tense in detail. First of all, I will tell you the introduction of future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense indicate an action or occurrence that has not yet happened but and will take place at some point in future. Now the question arises how to make future indefinite tense. In future indefinite tense, with I and we use shall, and with you, they, he, she, it, singular and plurals we use will. It is made with subject plus helping verb shall or will plus first form of verb plus object. But one thing is that we must keep in our mind is that for certainty, to express some certainty, when we say something with determination, with full force that we will do it, then we can use will with I and we. It may also happen that we use I and we with shall, but when they used will with I and we, it means that this work is done with full force, with full determination. Then we can use with I and we. Examples have been given below. I shall read the book today. He will not go to school tomorrow. Will you not have your lunch? We shall write a letter. These all examples that have been given, in it there is not force, but when we say I will finish my work today, it means that I will certainly finish my work today, and we are using with I, we are using will with I. It means certainly I will do this work, I will finish my work today at any cost. Now I tell you the uses of future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense is used to talk about things which we cannot control. It expresses the future as fact. For example, she will be 20 next week. It will be Eid in a week. We will know our exams in May. Another example use is that it is used to talk about what we think or believe will happen in future. For example, I think Pakistan will win the match. Another example is that I think she will get first class. Mostly this tense is used with I think, I am sure, I believe, I expect, probably. Mostly this tense is used with these things. Another use is that we use this tense when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. For example, it is raining, I will take my umbrella. Another example is that Mr. Adnan is busy at the moment. All right, I will wait for him. I tell you the uses of going to. Going to is used for future sense. So we are discussing it in future indefinite tense. The first use of going to is that we use going to form when we have decided to do something before talking about it. For example, what have you decided to do? Yes, I am going to resign the job. Another example is that why are you selling your bike? The answer is I am going to buy a new car. Remember, what the notable thing is that we must keep in mind is that going to is used when the action has already been taken and preparation have been made. Then going to is used, not simple future in simple tense or future indefinite tense, which is used on instant decision. On this situation only going to is used. Another use is that it is used to talk about what seems likely or certain when there is something in the present which tells us about the future. For example, look at the clouds, it is going to rain. Another example is that the boat is full of water, it is going to sink. Another example is that she is going to have a baby. Another use of going to is that it may also express an action which is on the point of happening. For example, look, the cracker is going to explode. And the other example is that let's get into the rain, it is going to leave. Discuss be about to, it is also used for future tense. Be about to plus base form can also be used for the immediate future. For example, let's get into the rain, it is about to leave. Another example is that don't go out, we are about to have lunch. Simple present tense is used for future time or future tense. For example, it is used for official program or timetable. For example, the college starts at 6:30 and finish at 9. Another example is that when does the next train leave for Karachi. Another use of simple present tense which gives the sense of future indefinite tense is that it is also used for future time and clause with if, unless, when, while, as, before, after, until, by the time and as soon as. When we use these clauses, when we use all these things in clause, it gives us future sense, but we are using them in simple present tense. Simple, I tell you the example in which the point will be clear to you that future indefinite tense is not used in these cases. We use all these things in simple present tense, but they give us the sense and give us the time of simple future tense or future indefinite tense. For example, I would not go out if it rains. Another example is that can I get some milk before I go to bed? And other example is that let's wait until she finish her work. And the last example is that please ring me up as soon as she comes. Now I tell you about present continuous tense which give us the sense of future indefinite or simple future sense. Now I tell you the use of present continuous tense when it gives us the sense or time of simple future tense. The use of it is that it is used when we talk about something that we have planned to do in future. For example, Mr. Ali is arriving in the evening, and other example is that we are eating out tonight, and other example is that I am going to Karachi tomorrow. We are seeing that in all examples they are giving us the sense of future because they are referring to future, but they are using in present continuous tense. So in this way present continuous tense can give us the sense of simple future or future indefinite tense. One notable thing is that future continuous tense can be used for personal program or personal arrangement, not simple present tense. Only present continuous tense is used for personal arrangement. Okay, the lecture is over. I think I have given you detailed description of future indefinite tense in every way. I hope you will have understood the lecture in a better way. See you soon in the next lecture with another type of future tense, future continuous tense. Inshallah.